Minasan konnichiwa. Video e yokoso. Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we have a new task to do. I'll teach you how to configure and set up your Arduino Uno board. To do that, we need a USB cord which is compatible with your Arduino Uno and a laptop where you will install the program Arduino IDE. Okay, so first we need to install the Arduino IDE program. This program will allow you to create and upload codes to control your Arduino Uno board. There are two ways to install. You can use the Microsoft Store, then search Arduino IDE. Then click install. It will take some time depending on your internet connection speed. As you can see, I already downloaded the program. So there's no need for me to download again. The other way is to go to the website. You can type www.arduino.cc. This will take you to their website. Then choose the file your laptop or PC is compatible. So I have a Windows 10, so I will choose this. Click, then download. I already downloaded the program, so let me cancel it. After you've installed the program, connect your Arduino Uno board to the laptop or PC using the cable cord provided. Plug it in your Arduino Uno board and plug the other end to the laptop. Wait for the sound to know if the laptop or PC can identify your board. You can also see that the on LED is lit up. After you connect the board, open the Arduino IDE program. So it will take some time. Okay, as you can see, you will be welcomed by this setup. Void setup is where you write your codes that will run or execute only once. You write your code between this bracket. The void loop, on the other hand, as the name implies, loops your code or execute the code continuously and endlessly. But before we do some coding, let's first check if the app recognizes our board. Simply go to the tools and check if you're using the proper board. So as you can see, we are using the Arduino Uno. And check if the port recognizes the board. In our case, we use the port COM3, which is the Arduino Uno. So we're sure that the program recognizes our board. Let's do the basic programs. Go to File, Examples, Basics, and click Blink. This will open another window which contains our source code. So this is the source code. But we will modify this by changing the delay in on setting to 250 millisecond. By the way, the unit of measure in delay is per millisecond. So 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. So we will modify also in the off setting, we will put it to 100 milliseconds. After that, you can verify, check if you wrote the correct codes. As you can see, this green level, it will take some time to compile the sketch. After done compiling, you can go and upload your code to your Arduino Uno. As you can see, it is already done uploading. As you can see, the LED is blinking faster because of the delay values we have set. If you want, you can change it to make the blinking a little bit slower or a little bit faster, depending on the values of the delay. So that concludes our setup and configuration of the Arduino Uno board. The app has a lot of source code example, so feel free to try them and find out their functions. Keep safe everyone. Ken out.